on, guys. Let me get everything adjusted here. Here it comes, UP MPXTU. Let's go. Perfect, there we go. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ralph out here. We got a Tier 4 lead on the MPXTU right now. Hope guys like. Here it comes. Perfect.
And let's spin the commentary. We have a UP2635 leading the MPXTU with a beautiful K5A shell horn. Here comes the end with the old BN auto rack. Anyways, hope guys like the video and the commentary.
There we go. That was pretty cool, guys. Tier 4 lead on the MPXTU. I think it was like 2647, 2637, somewhere in there. Anyways, hope guys liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for great rail fan content. Final Rail Fan, out.